This headline really annoys me, and it'll annoy you if you have a pension. Nick Train apologises for poor investment performance. UK fund manager blames lack of exposure to tech and fossil fuel stocks, as well as broader malaise in the UK market. Actually, that isn't what the fault of his poor pension performance is, and your pension if it was invested with him. What it is a couple of factors which lead to poor performance. First of all, newspapers love bigging up individuals and then dragging them down like this. Star fund manager. It's not entirely the newspaper's fault. It's because the asset management companies do a marketing job where they say, hey, we've got a great new investment manager. And they'll do the marketing when the markets are up anyway. So they'll try and stand them apart. Now, when Eugene Fama pointed this out and did the data on it, he got a Nobel Prize in economics. I think it was 2016 on that. But there is another reason. Notice how the headline says UK fund manager. Okay. So he has been restricted in investing only in a very small gene pool of the globally available companies. Now, for your SIP and ISA, and if you're watching this in America, Australia, Canada, you have the equivalent tax-free pension vehicles. For those, presumably you want to have the very best companies available, eligible to be in there, presumably on big reputable exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange, or of course the London Stock Exchange, or any of the European stock exchanges, as long as they can be held in your SIP or ISA. And you might say, well, what about this currency risk and the difference there? Well, it's an additional asset class you're holding, so it gives you some diversification to have US dollars or euros. So actually, that doesn't worry me too much, especially if your plan is to hold not the same stock forever, but maybe stocks in that currency for a long time, like an Nvidia might switch into a Microsoft or an Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Oracle, so on and so forth, eBay, Costco, household names, Walmart. You know, wait a minute, how come you've got a load of drudge which Nick Train's been forced to buy? And this is a common problem. They're restricted in the stocks they can buy. You're not. Kick out the middleman, learn a little bit of how to do it yourself. That's my mission, to teach more people how to do it. If you'd like a free copy of the book, go to alpeshpatel.com/links. You'll find it there. Wonderful endorsements from Bloomberg TV, Financial Times, and multi-billion-dollar hedge fund managers as well on there. It's one of 18 that I've written. The rest are over my shoulder over there. My point is, it is something you can learn. It is something you can excel at. So please make sure you do. Thank you.